Here's my quick review for this COSORI rice cooker. It has 18 functions. I've never seen that before, and so I'm so excited to have this as a gift. And this came with a steam bucket. It's made of metal, so it's really high quality. I like that. And then your container for the rice is huge. You have directions here that you can follow, or in the cookbook, it shows you exactly how much water and rice to put in ratios and different recipes that you can put in here. So if you stay until the end of my video, I'll show you exactly how my rice came out. And this is a little cup that it comes with, so I'm going to do 2 of these just to have for our dinner. And the little cup also has the measuring lines, so it's so easy to follow. The book actually tells you exactly how much water to put with what type of rice with this specific cup. So you see these lines here. I'm going to put 2.5 of these because that's what the instructions tells me to do with this rice cooker. So now that my water is in, just go ahead and add any type of spice or oils, whatever you want. I usually just want some oil and some salt for my rice because that's just a simple way that I want it for dinner tonight. And then once that's done, you just close the lid. It's so user friendly, you guys. I can't believe how easy this is. You just push the start button and then you have all of the options in front of you. Now I'm obviously going to be using the white rice because that's what I'm cooking. And then it tells you long grain, medium, short, or porridge. I have medium, so I'm gonna just push the rice button again, and then if it's blinking, it means that's what you've selected. And then the texture, also hard, regular, soft. So you just push the texture, and I'm gonna be going with regular. So I'm gonna just start this. Oh yeah, and of course you can do a delay if you want, or just cancel. So I'm just gonna start, and then it gives you the time, but it does adjust to whatever rice and water you have in there. So that's where the steam comes out. If a little bit comes out, I haven't really seen an excessive amount. And then voila, my rice has been done for 3 minutes. When it's done, it shows you the keep warm button and how long it's been in there for keeping warm. It came with actually this little scoop. I really like it. It's good quality actually. I like it more than the one I bought separately. And here we go. That is my rice. Now what I've noticed with this rice cooker is that I barely have any of the hard rice at the bottom. So I like how it just maximizes my supplies. You know, I don't have to throw out the layer at the bottom. I could actually enjoy eating it because it doesn't have that crisp at the bottom. So once you're done, you can just cancel it. It will keep it warm up to 24 hours. So I really like that option. And then let me show you what else you can do with this rice cooker. It is incredibly versatile. You can just keep it warm and put it up to 24 hours if you want, but you can just adjust it and then push start. It's as simple as that for the keep warm option. And then now I'll just show you the brown rice option. And again, it gives you the same things as the white rice options. So you just select what you want, the timer or cancel, and then the grade. You have your different options here of quinoa, barley, farro, and then the other option is oatmeal, steel cut, rolled, quick. Now if you just keep pushing the button and if it's flashing, it means you've selected it, so it's pretty user friendly. And then you have the quick rice option here, which is pretty simple, just timing. So all in all, really like it. And then you even have more options here for slow cooker, steam, and saute that you can use this accessory in there. I haven't used it yet. I might just do another video showing exactly how these two, well actually 3 options turn out with the steamed vegetables. You just put the amount of time that you want and that's it. It's so simple. Start, delay time, whatever you want. So really highly recommend it. This is an awesome kitchen gadget. It's so easy to clean as well. I won't do it now because it's way too hot, but you just pull this lever and you're good to go.